I need to fold, so you're coming with me. Look at my fatty. Look at the fatty girl. Oh, the fatty girl. I think I'm buying a car today, guys. I'm waiting for my father-in-law. And I'm taking you guys with me. But first, we have to fold clothes. Coulda.
Lalo! Come here! I've been calling you.
I need you to go downstairs and give me the clothes from the dryer.
A bullet!
They don't even mess around, obviously. I will. They don't even know me though, so.
Coulda. Why are you showing your booty?
Because it's so nice, it's so shaky.
Coulda.
What inside?
The clean clothes, bring them up.
The what now?
Clean clothes, bring them up.
The where?
Downstairs.
Where are they?
In the basement.
Where?
In the toilet.
Alright.
Yes. Use your brain. Use your noggin. Will you stop? Look at Lalo. Do it again. Do it again. It was funny. It was funny though.
Stop looking at my butt.
You're shaking it.
For you, Mom. Not for the camera.
I don't need you shaking your booty for me, boy.
Your dad wouldn't approve.
Alright, so now I just gotta put these away. And I'm freaking pissed off though, because I washed this and it had like all these fuzzy things on it. Now it's all up in my nose and stuck on some clothes. You live and you learn. Anyway. I figure instead of just sitting around with it, I might as well do some housework. So at least I got that done. I got 2 loads of clothes done. And got my kitchen done. Now I just gotta get all these clothes upstairs. Everything's clean here. Dishes are done, except for that bowl. Table's pretty clean. So I'm just waiting for Pops. Waiting for Pops. I know he doesn't have to come, but he kind of does, because he knows he's definitely needed. And if he doesn't come, we are very liable to buy a shitty ass car on a whim, because we don't know. Oh my god, all that stuff is stuck in my nose, because we don't know about cars like that. Although Kilo worked at AutoZone, he was hired for customer service because he's great with people. So he doesn't really know about cars like that. See, people automatically assume, oh, he works at AutoZone, or he worked at AutoZone, so he gotta know about cars. Nope. They don't hire you to know about cars, guys, at AutoZone. So don't assume just because you're talking to some guy at AutoZone they know about cars, because they don't. So most of them do, but not Kilo. Nope. So we really need Pops. But he does this all the time, and I understand he has to do some stuff and everything, but I'm the type of person, like, don't give me a time and make me get up all early thinking that you're gonna be here and then you're not here. So anyway, I'm just gonna continue to clean, but as for this video, I'm gonna end it here because I don't know when he's coming, and I want to save battery so I can take you guys with me. Until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. Hashtag flip side of fam. Bye.
You're trying to record me. Trying to get my bald head and my hair in the back of my head.
What you talking about? You got hair. I'm not getting you. Finally, the end of a long, exhausting day, guys. Don't show nobody my hair. Don't show nobody.
I don't want no one to look at me.
Don't.
You guys better not be looking at me.
That's not going anywhere. Let's take that shit right off.
Nobody could see you. So tired, guys. I gotta go see my friend. So I'm gonna go see my friend. I'm gonna end the night. And then I'm gonna see you on the flip side, okay? Okay. I love you mucho. Take it out. I'm not eating yet. I don't wanna eat.